While news spread, the ICC has issued an arrest warrant against Senator Ronaldo Bato de la Rosa. The lawmakers suddenly turned up in session.
But it was not a calm entrance for Bato. He was chased down from the Senate parking lot to the elevators by agents of the NBI.
The reason for that chase remains unclear, but De La Rosa's colleagues in the upper chamber have put him under protective custody and even talked about the ICC not having jurisdiction in the Philippines.
And so, as we speak, Senator Bato remains holed up at the Senate. The building even had to be put on lockdown amid this afternoon's chaos. Mobile journalist Merimon Reyes has tonight's big story.
Ito klaseng gobyerno. As sitting president, hinaharang hindi papasukin sa sesyon. Kung ako'y absent, hinahanap na ako ninyo. Sumusweldo. Hindi nagpapakita. Ngayon, papakita ko dito. Hinarang ko naman guys. Nirestling ako doon. Kasugat-sugat ako.
After more than 6 months of absence, an angry and emotional Senator Bato de la Rosa surprised everyone when he suddenly appeared at the Senate session hall on Monday afternoon.
This is the Senate. Wala silang respeto sa institusyon ng Senado. Ganun ang NBI.
He was shouting because operatives from the National Bureau of Investigation blocked him from the Senate building. CCTV footage showed NBI chasing De La Rosa and his entourage into a fire exit in the building. De La Rosa even tripped and fell as he climbed the flight of stairs. He immediately entered a room his colleague opened for him, while others from his group went the separate way, apparently as a decoy. But the authorities caught on and opened the door De La Rosa had entered in. Commotion ensued. Eventually, though, the NBI operatives let him go. After the ruckus, De La Rosa said he sustained a wound on his hand. He confronted the Senate Sergeant-at-Arms for not interfering.
Kung ikaw ang senador, sir, ako ang Sergeant-at-Arms. Magpapakamatay ako para hindi ka magalaw dito sa institusyon nito. Magpapakamatay ako para sa'yo.
When asked why he suddenly appeared,
But why are you here, sir? Bakit po kayo napapasok today, sir?
I am a senator of this republic. Kung hindi ko mapasok, ginahanap niyo ako. Di ba? Ngayon mapasok ako, tatanungin niyo ako bakit ako pumapasok.
But sir, may kinalaman sa pagkuser para makabuo ng numbers po?
Lahat yan trabaho ng senador.
in the middle of the chaos, former Senator Sonny Trillanes appeared, alleged ICC arrest warrant against De La Rosa in hand. The documents were even labeled secret, but he showed it to the media nevertheless. Trillanes said this is in response to De La Rosa's challenge to him back in 2024.
Go ahead, make my day, Mr. Trillanes. Sabihan mo. Sige ka lang, ngak-ngak dyan ng ICC. Sige. Go ahead. Kahit sumama ka pa, mag-serve ng warrant. Sumama ka. Ikaw mismo magpusa sa akin.
Personal request ni Bato na samahan ko daw yung pagka-arestuhin siya. Nandito ngayon na arestuhin siya.
Sino po yung
That's why I'm here. Diba? Nandito yung NBI, arestuhin siya. O, inamin niya ako, diba? Inamin niya ako, nandito ako, I showed up. Inamin niya ako na samahan ko yung mag-aresto sa kanya. Nandito ko ngayon.
However, even the overthrown Senate President Tito Soto has spoken before that as a matter of institutional courtesy, the upper house cannot allow any member to be arrested within its premises while it is in session. And indeed, the Senate has approved a motion seeking to place De La Rosa under Senate protective custody. The move was made as a precautionary measure that would allow De La Rosa to address the legal developments while ensuring his security and access to available judicial options.
Even assuming fully coordinated yung arrest warrant, they should have approached Senator Bato or approached the Sergeant-at-Arms, given a copy of the warrant, and negotiate his surrender because they are in Senate premises. Pero instead, nakipaghabulan sila. Hinabol nila, they attempted to stop Senator Bato from attending the session.
Kapatid Mobile journalist Merimon Reyes, we are One News.